You can make everything. You can make a duck, you can make an elephant, you can make a bear, fluffy, fluffy bear. That's like this. Yeah. Got more? They have red and blue. I'm sure you can mix together. No. Yellow, blue, orange, and orange. More same like blue. This dark blue. What is name is dark blue? That's funny. They're more saying this is red because light red, and this is pink. And this is dark purple. Dark purple because there are lots of dark. Hey, and this is light orange. Hey, that's mine. And this is light yellow. I get light yellow. And this is dark light yellow. Hey, that's mine. I just take it. And this is dark red. More same like this. You see it? Look at still. Look at closely. See? More same. Like pink. You see this? More like pink. This one. And this dark blue. More same like this. This is purple or blue? Yeah. Let's open the Play-Doh maybe. Not yet. And this shoulder. And this is black. Black. I want the duck. Dark is black. Orange. More same like this. You see this? Tree. Look at me, guys. Oh, we have a two pink. Oh, so cute. And dark blue again. Ow. And let's open. Peach and white. More same colors. Okay, let's open maybe and green and brown. Hey, let's open. I want to open. I want to touch it. Go. Let's open now. Guys, and then you open this already. And you put an pink color. And you put it on the side. Ooh, they're really sticky. You can put them inside here. Any color you want. Pick three. looks so funny to me. Gently, okay, guys? You need to do it gently. It's very hard. And you need to do it gently. It's so hard. So hard. Look at one duck just so big. I'm seeing on this one. You're like a ghost. Duck. What is it? You're like a ghost. Don't call me. He's not good. Not good. Set. Not good. I said. Okay, like this. Which one? What were the flavors from your face? And squeeze gently. Which one do you favorite? Okay, let's see it. Okay, look at my bear. I know it's so weird, but it's so cute more. Yeah, but it's like, it's like a pirate. I think it's like a broken. Oh, so sad. Guys, if you're done, what is this panda? If you're done, you can put it inside here. Hey, it's like a cookie. Okay, let's put another one. Oh. What is this? This is color pink. This is color pink. Doma. 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 It's so funny. I'm very old with you. Tug. Pickle. Hey! It's really tightly. Oh, so super cute, little pink one. Let's put it inside here again. Oh my god, cute, cute, cute. It's like a cookie. Yum, yummy. Okay, now if you're done, you put it inside here, okay? Don't call me silly. I'm very angry to you. Okay, that's always funny on this video. No, I'm not. That's play. I'm playing for you funny. Where is my kiss? There. Funny. It's not good enough. Same. What? Try it again. Put there. Also, guys, you can with this. Put this. Guys, almost my sister almost done. So this is really cute, and I make this. It's a rainbow. hold. So sharp like a squid. Yeah. Actually, they have a hole inside here. See? Stars, circles. Let's open the strap. Look it. And those ones will heal. Let's open the strap, okay, guys? Let me help you. No, only me. That's why. That's pretty, you know. I'm waiting for you. And then, if you're done, you can put it here. Oh yeah, we need to make the elephant. Oh, that's sad. Let's go make it. It's done. Okay, let's put it. Hey, only me, Kaka. And I need another one. Oh. For this one? Yay! I have it! Yay! The elephant! Guys, we wait for our sister once making this. So you have to be by at Miniso. See you next